Welcome to Z. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey into the future of space tourism. Imagine a world where taking a vacation among the stars is not just a dream but a burgeoning reality. With pioneering companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic leading the charge, we are on the brink of an exciting new frontier in travel. But with these incredible opportunities comes significant challenges. How do we ensure space travel is safe, accessible, and sustainable for future generations? Join me as we explore the possibilities, hurdles, and broader implications of space tourism and what it means for humanity's future among the stars. To fully appreciate the future of space tourism, it's essential to look at its evolution. The concept of space travel has captured humanity's imagination for decades. From the early science fiction stories of the 20th century to the thrilling visions of the space age, we've long dreamt of visiting the cosmos. The modern era of space tourism began in earnest in the early 2000s, marked by significant milestones. In 2001, Dennis Tito became the first space tourist, spending a week aboard the International Space Station, ISS, for a staggering $20 million. This trip opened the door for private enterprises to enter the space sector, proving that commercial space travel was feasible. Fast forward to today, and we have witnessed remarkable advancements in technology and safety measures. Companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic have successfully conducted suborbital flights, offering brief glimpses of Earth from space and providing passengers with the exhilarating experience of weightlessness. Meanwhile, SpaceX is charting new territory with plans for orbital tourism and missions around the Moon. The excitement surrounding these developments is palpable. But what does this mean for the future of travel? The potential opportunities in space tourism are as vast as the cosmos itself. Let's explore some key areas where this emerging industry can have a transformative impact. Economic growth. Space tourism could be a significant driver of economic growth. The global space economy is projected to grow exponentially, potentially reaching hundreds of billions of dollars in the coming years. New jobs will be created in various sectors, from engineering and technology to hospitality and tourism, offering diverse career opportunities. Scientific research. Space tourism can facilitate groundbreaking scientific research. Commercial space flights can transport scientists and researchers to conduct experiments in microgravity, yielding valuable insights into fundamental scientific questions. For example, studying the effects of microgravity on biological organisms can lead to advancements in medicine and biotechnology. Inspiration for future generations. The allure of space can inspire young minds to pursue careers in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. By making space accessible, we nurture a generation that dreams big and pushes the boundaries of exploration. The excitement of potential space tourism can encourage students to engage in scientific and technological disciplines, fostering innovation for years to come. Infrastructure development. The rise of space tourism will likely lead to the development of new infrastructure, including spaceports, orbital hotels, and even lunar bases. These advancements will revolutionize space travel, making it more routine and accessible. For instance, the establishment of commercial spaceports around the world could facilitate regular flights, similar to how airports function today. Cultural exchange. Space tourism has the potential to promote cultural exchange on a global scale. As travelers from different countries and backgrounds come together for a shared experience, they can foster understanding and collaboration. This shared endeavor could bridge cultural divides and promote a sense of unity as humanity ventures into the cosmos. While the opportunities in space tourism are exciting, we must also confront the significant challenges that lie ahead. Safety is the foremost concern in this high-risk environment. Safety and regulation. Ensuring the safety of passengers and crew is paramount. The history of space travel has seen its share of tragedies, reminding us of the inherent risks. As more private companies enter the space tourism market, regulatory frameworks must evolve to ensure comprehensive safety standards. Governments and international agencies will need to work together to establish regulations that protect space travelers while fostering innovation. Environmental impact. The environmental impact of space tourism is a pressing concern. Rocket launches produce greenhouse gases and pollutants that can affect the atmosphere. As the industry grows, it will be essential to develop more sustainable technologies and practices. This includes innovations such as reusable rockets, which significantly reduce the environmental footprint of space travel, and environmentally friendly propellants that minimize harmful emissions. Accessibility and cost. Currently, space tourism remains an exclusive experience, with trips costing hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. To truly thrive, the industry must find ways to reduce costs and make space travel accessible to a broader audience. Innovations in technology and economies of scale will be vital in this endeavor. Additionally, creating a range of experiences, from luxury trips to more affordable options, can help democratize access to space. Public perception. Public perception and acceptance of space tourism also pose challenges. Some may question the ethics of spending vast amounts of money on luxury space trips while addressing pressing issues on Earth, such as poverty and climate change. Engaging the public in discussions about the benefits of space exploration and tourism, including potential advancements in technology and knowledge, will be essential to fostering support for the industry. Psychological and physical challenges. Space travel presents unique psychological and physical challenges. The effects of microgravity, confinement, and isolation can impact passengers' well-being. Companies will need to invest in comprehensive training and preparation for travelers to ensure they are physically and mentally ready for the journey. Looking ahead, the landscape of space tourism is poised for transformation. We are likely to see a diversification of offerings, catering to different interests and budgets. Suborbital flights. Companies like Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin will continue to offer suborbital flights, providing thrill seekers with a taste of space. These short excursions allow passengers to experience weightlessness and see Earth from above, making them appealing to a wide audience. Orbital hotels. The vision of luxury hotels in low Earth orbit is becoming more tangible. Companies are already conceptualizing these establishments, where guests could enjoy breathtaking views of Earth, engage in recreational activities in microgravity, and participate in scientific experiments. Imagine enjoying a gourmet meal while gazing at our planet from a space hotel's panoramic window. Lunar tourism. SpaceX's ambitious plans for missions around the moon could pave the way for lunar tourism. Imagine standing on the lunar surface, gazing at Earth from a distance, a once-in-a-lifetime experience that few could fathom. Such missions would offer travelers the chance to explore the moon's unique landscape, possibly including stays at lunar bases for more extended adventures. The future of space tourism is an exciting and complex tapestry woven with challenges and opportunities. As we stand on the brink of this new frontier, we must navigate the intricacies of safety, sustainability, and accessibility while embracing the potential for economic growth, scientific discovery, and global unity. Space tourism is more than just a luxurious experience. It's a gateway to a future where humanity expands its horizons and explores the wonders of the universe. As we look to the stars, we also reflect on our responsibilities here on Earth. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the future of space tourism. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and who knows, the stars might just be your next vacation destination.